In this video, I show you how to fix eFootball stuck on loading screen or eFootball loading problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, check that eFootball is up to date or not. For checking this, Play Store. Now tap on iFootball. Now update your eFootball to latest version. Then go back to your phone settings. Then tap on Apps. Then tap on CROS. Now search for eFootball. Tap on eFootball, tap on Force Stop, then OK. Then tap on Storage and Cache, clear cache. Now go back. Now turn on airplane mode. Then off again. After doing this, now open eFootball. After doing all this, now I hope that this method fixes eFootball stuck on loading screen or eFootball loading problem. Done. Next, Contram. Enter date of birth. Next. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.